Hello everyone. Welcome back with the second regular Sudoku of today's newspaper on. Yes, it's Friday, September the 4th, 2020. Almost weekend, but first we will solve some Sudokus. And the second regular Sudoku is a Sudoku Heavy. How heavy is this one? I do not know, but this will be a number 1462. And how many printed digits are there in this Sudoku? Let me count. We have here 4 plus 3 is 7, plus 2 is 9, plus 4 is 13, plus 2 is 15, plus 3 is equal to 18, plus 2 is 20, 23, plus 3 is 26. So if you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars Sudokus in the additional of this newspaper, 26 printed digits, 2 star Sudoku. Yes, it's a 2 star Sudoku. Alright, so let's get started. Alright. We have a 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column, and next, the only place for the 7 should be here. 7 in the last row, 7 in the row above. So in that row, the only place for the 7 should be there. Yes. In this row, we have 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see an 8 in this big square, so no 8 in these 3 boxes. So the 8 could be here, or there. We see an 8, no 8 there. Here an 8, no 8 there. The only place for the 8 should be there. Then there's also a digit, a number in this row. One of the missing number is a 6. We see here 6 in this big square, so no 6 in these 3 boxes. So the 6 could be here or could be there. We see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 in the third column, 6 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place for the 6 should be there. Then three missing numbers now in this column. Those numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, and the 9 is missing. We see here 2, no 2 there. Here 2, no 2 there. The only place for the 2 should be there. Then I cannot continue here. Let me see which number I can use. How about the number Yeah. 3 in the first row, 3 in the third row. So in the row between the second second row, the only place for the 3 should be there. Yeah. And now, let me think. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 4 and the 5. We have a 4 and a 5 in this row, so no 4 and a 5 in these 3 boxes. So the 4 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes. It's a pair, so let me mark them for you. 4 and a 5. That means the other 3 numbers are the 2, the 7, and the 3. We have a 3 here, so no 3 there. Here, 3, no 3 there. The only place for the 3 should be there. The other 2 numbers, the 2 and the 7, let me mark them. It's a pair. So we have 2 pairs here. This should be also the 4 and the 5. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 7 and a 2. Alright, 7, 7. Then 1 and a 9. Yes. 1, 1. 3, 3. Alright. We have here in this row 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 5. We see here a 5, so no 5 there. Here also a 5, so no 5 there. Here a 5, no 5 there, so 1 box left for the 5 should be there. 1, 9, and 4 is missing. 4, 4. Alright. Let me see what number I can use. Stupid. 5. So we have a 5 in this row. I have marked these 2 boxes, 4 and a 5. We already have a 5 here, so this should be a 4, and this should be a 5. Alright, so 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 5. We see here 5. No 5 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 5 should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 7. Let me mark them for you. It's a pair. So we have a 7 in one of these 2 boxes in this column. So this box cannot be a 7 anymore. This should be a 2. And this should be a 7. 2 boxes left in this column for the numbers 4 and 9. Let me mark them. It's a pair. These 2 boxes. Let me do the first column first. 1 missing number here should be the 5. These 2 boxes in this big square, the 1 and the 2 are missing. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Yes. And now 2 in this column, 2 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 5 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, no 3 in these 2 boxes. There are 3, no 3 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 3. Should be there. 3 in the last column, 3 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 3. How about the number 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only place for the 7 should be here. Here. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4. No 4 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 4 should be here. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 6. I cannot fill this yet. I need to mark them for you. It's a pair. That means these 2 boxes in this row should be for the numbers 1 and 8. 1 and 8. I mark them for you. It's a pair again. These 2 boxes in this row for the numbers 3 and 6. We have a 6 here. No 6 there. 6 should be here and a 3 goes there. 3 in this column. 3 in that column. So in the middle column, the only 3 places for the 3 should be here, here, or there. We see here 3, no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. Only place for the 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see. First digit. Alright. Then these 2 boxes in this big square for the numbers 9 and 2. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. I mark them for you. Because it's up here. Yes, yes, yes. How about yeah. 7 in this column, 7 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 7 here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. And now we have a 7 there. So this cannot be a 7 anymore. This should be a 1 and this should be a 7. And all the 7s are used. I can see digit number 2. How about yeah, I remember in this second row we have three numbers left. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4, no 4 there. Here 4, no 4 there. The only place for the 4 should be there. 4 in this last column, 4 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 4 should be there. Now I cannot continue with the 4. I need to see for another digit. 9, 6. Yes. In this big square, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see an 8. No 8 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 8. How about the number 6? These 2 numbers in this big square are the numbers 9 and 6. Let me mark them, 9 and 6. So we have a 9 in one of these 2 boxes in this row. So this box cannot be a 9 anymore. This should be a 4. And this should be a 9. 1 box left in this last row for the number 9. 2 boxes left in this row for the numbers 5 and 2. 5 and 2. Let me mark them because I cannot fill this yet. And the other 2 numbers, the 1 and the 4. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 number left in this column for the number 9. Now we have a 9 here, so this cannot be a 9 anymore. This should be the 9, and this should be a 2. Now we have a 2 here, so this cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be a 2, and this should be a 5. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 2 places for the 5 here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in this first row for the numbers 9 and 8. We have a 9 here, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 8 in this row, 8 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 1 number left in the second row for the number 1. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 4. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Now we have a 1 here, so this cannot be a 1 anymore. This should be the 1, and this should be the 8. We have a 9 here, so this cannot be a 9 anymore. This should be a 6, and this should be a 9. We have a 9 here, so this cannot be a 9 anymore. This should be the 9, and this should be the 6. And the final number of this big square for the number 6. Finished in 16 minutes. All right. Great Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you for watching this video. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe. And hit that bell button or bell icon to be notified by YouTube for future uploads. When I upload new Sudokus to my channel, you will be notified by YouTube. Yes. Thank you again for watching. Take care. Stay healthy. And keep puzzling. See you later with the additional, with extra Sudokus. Bye bye for now.